Today, I am going to show you an incredible home cooking hack that will help you remove the skin from any amount of garlic in just 30 seconds. When I discovered this technique, I was shocked, and I don't think you've seen it anywhere else. It will blow your mind when you learn it. Welcome to Jennifer's Tips. A couple of weeks ago, I was planning to make a seasoning at home, and I had to peel a lot of garlic. It was very tedious because it took quite a while. But once I learned this trick, I never did it any other way again. You can literally do this trick with a bucket of garlic, and to show you how it works, I'll use some heads of garlic to demonstrate. The first thing we will do is remove the hard root from the corners of the garlic shell with the help of a knife. This is very easy to do. If you know of any garlic peeling hacks that are easier than this method, please let me know in the comments below, as I always read what you guys write. Now, for the big trick, once we remove the root from the heads of garlic, we will take them to the microwave for 30 seconds. If you have made it this far, let me know in the comments from which city you're watching us, so I can send you a special greeting in our next videos. Once the 30 seconds have passed, we will remove the garlic from the microwave. Now, let's do the test. I assure you that you will love the result. I'll take some garlic cloves and start peeling them off. You will notice that the skin comes off almost by itself, and you don't have to put in much effort. I'll do it with several cloves of garlic so you can see that this really works. It is important to note that you should not put the garlic in the microwave for more than 30 seconds, as the garlic can cook and darken. We do not want it to lose its essence, its nutrients, or its flavor. The ideal time should be 20 to 30 seconds maximum. This will depend on the power of your microwave. Mine is an old one, so that's why I give it 30 seconds. If you're enjoying this video and want to receive more tips like these, write me below. I want more tips, so I'll know if I'm doing it right. Today's greetings go to Rachel Cervantes from San Antonio, Texas, and Michelle Smith Goldberg from Littleton, Colorado. Thanks for watching. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss more tips like these.